Turn left onto Campground Road, then you will arrive at your destination.
It's Campground Road, that's for damn sure.
Campground, yep. Down this way.
Yeah. Nice old growth in here, huh?
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Some of these trees are older than you are. Holy fuck. Nicolette!
Oh, it's looking good. You get the sign.
You have arrived.
Oh wow, this is weird. Two different sections. This is a Laurel Lake National Forest Campground, $15 a night or $7.50 with the senior card. So this looks pretty nice, and we've never been here, so we're seeing it for the first time right along with you guys.
You have arrived.
Good.
Head northeast on Campground Road toward Leetzo Road.
Oh, good. Here's a parking spot.
Oh, let's take a look through it first. So I gotta dig. That's for trailers. And here's your. You could came out this way too.
Yeah, there's a boat landing here,
Yeah.
and then there's a small loop here. So.
I had to give you a picnic table right in the middle of everything. Before we go anyway, I gotta put that thing up where we get the ticket. Did it.
Oh yeah. Well, this lake is on its way to drying up. Huh?
Mm-hmm. What do you got there?
Yeah, usual stuff about invasive species and stuff.
Have to get rid of the boys, huh? $5.
Yeah, $5 for the boat landing. No charge with the golden access, they call it.
No, that's why we got it. Cover all the $5 fees.
Yeah. So we're at the boat landing. Got Chitority, and we're gonna take a walk around this loop, check out the sights, and then down the road is another smaller loop. Really nice old pines. Beautiful setting.
Hey!
My turn. Here you go.
Hey, she's gonna see it.
Okay, let's go check out the sights.
Okay, Stoney, let's go.
I'll take a look at the lake on the way back. Well, that's a weird looking sight.
That's good there, though.
Wouldn't be room for our tent, I don't think. Well,
Why not?
that'd be a tough one because you'd have to use up half the driveway.
Oh, can I put your car here?
Yeah, you could, but
It's
it's so open. That's a nice big site. Holy moly, look at that. Campground's pretty cool. Oh, yeah. That one curves around and goes by the lake. Kind of by the lake. The heck number is that? 6.
That's another good site.
Oh, this
Big.
one. Yeah, this one you have a lot of room for a tent. Our lake is drying up, so there ain't much for lake views. And that is number 5. Well, this one's got a nice tent pad. It has very uneven terrain, so definitely not made for a small trailer or pop-up. This one's nice and roomy. The heck number is that? Number 3. This This one is Occupado. Nice. I love all these big pines. That nice, he turned right to the camera. And this, I guess, is number 1.
Who knows?
Another tent pad. This one's pretty cool.
Don't know why.
Yeah, it's very uneven.
Big chainsaw gonna cut that shit up.
Yeah. You know, a little electric saw gonna cut that up. Okay. So right over there, I think we'll have to go down that way to get to the second set of...
I guess so. I'll find out.
Water pump. Yeah, what the heck. Oh, we got pet etiquette. Let's see. All your rules here. Pay within 30 minutes of arrival.
I think you got a fine for if you don't.
Oh, wow. Quiet hours. Yeah, they're starting to fine for that stuff. Good. It's about time.
I like this one.
Pets must be crated, leashed, or physically restrained at all times. $100 fine if you do fireworks. Let's see. You cannot have chainsaws. Generators are allowed within the quiet hour, or not in the quiet hours. Take water back to campsite for washing dishes, brushing teeth, hair, and cleaning fish.
Because they'll stand right there and do it.
Ooh, look at all that nice birch bark for starting a fire.
Yeah, I'll go in the canoe. Let's canoe with you.
Some very peaceful camping out here, but unfortunately it looks like this poor lake is turning into a swamp. I've noticed this year that a lot of them are going to swamp. But very pretty. Oh, it looks like a nice big island over there. Looks like some nice kayaking. Go check out all these islands. Okay, let's go check out that other loop of sites. See what that looks like. Pretty much the same, I would guess. Beautiful, beautiful pine trees. They're just all over.
I'm your chauffeur for the day. If the price is right, there's nothing I won't do.
Looks like somewhat of a trail there. Let's just go down. Looks like there's a lake through there.
Oh, there is. I can see it from here.
Lakes on every side, huh?
Probably one lake.
Yeah, probably curves around, yeah.
Turned into a fucking
Turn
bog.
right.
Yeah, there's supposed to be another loop of sites along Shoreline Road, which I figured was this road.
Head
Oh, this
southwest.
is Camp Road.
Yeah.
In 600 feet, keep left.
Where the hell's Shoreline at?
Huh.
There's something up here.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, fat squirrel. It comes out here.
Oh, okay. It's
Nice
kind
Keep
of a...
left.
Yeah. I would come down here and camp by myself, actually.
Kind of. Okay, now this is the part we saw before, and we thought this was the whole campground. Okay, this is area 2, Laurel
Area.
Lake Campground. Okay.
When you do that, you gotta put on there, sign says Area 51.
So no wonder we thought it was so small.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Leetzo Road.
Let me just pull into the site here for a minute. And it looks like I can get another view of the lake here. Okay, looks like from area 2 of the campground we can get a better look at the lake. Oh yeah, there's that big island we saw from the other part of the campground. Much more open here. It's all developed, so that's one con to it. Okay, so let's take a look at this part of the campground. These sites seem to be pretty close together. I'm just going to kind of walk down. You can pick me up at the end. This is not very big. I got another toilet. Another water pump. Very nice sites. 10R. Reservable. So it appears that this whole area 2 is reservable. And the other part looked like it was all first come first serve, but we didn't look at all the posts, so we don't know for sure. Very nice site. Number 12 appears to be the last one. So I guess there's 12 sites in this campground. It looks like it used to be all lake there, now it's all swamp, bog, whatever you want to call it. And this campground, Laurel Lake National Forest Campground, is close to the town of 3 Lakes, Wisconsin. Very nice. Okay, onward we go. You went, huh?
I was thinking about camping here, something, but during the summertime, it's gonna be a bitch.
Oh, buggies bugs?
Unless you get my zappy zap.
Yeah, it's sad to see them pretty lakes turn into
That's where the earth passes.
Still sad.
Wow.
Coyote?
Wolf.
Wolf?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Hey!
Oh. Look at that. The camera will be picking that up nicely.
Hopefully. I've been getting a drink over there.
Yeah.